Hey guys, this is Ricky and check out my T1 Ranger flight at FliteFest 2025. It has a C20T 3-axis gimbal in the nose with a Walksnail video transmitter running inav 8.0.1 on a SpeedyBee F405 mini wing flight controller. I'm using the Walksnail Goggles X with Video Aerial Systems Minion Pro Omni antennas on top with Crosshair Extreme Minis on the bottom. These antennas have given me outstanding performance. I made a quick 4-waypoint mission and didn't realize that waypoint number 3 was over these trees. That's because at the time I created this mission, I didn't have my Bing Maps API key, and this is what it looked like for me. Before we take a look at the entire flight path on Google Earth, check out how well it loiters after AutoLaunch. Also, see how well it flew the autonomous mission and maintained a constant altitude. Enjoy the flight and don't forget to load the mission. After arming in AutoLaunch mode, but before I raise the throttle, I change the flight mode to Loiter so that after AutoLaunch completes, it immediately goes into Loiter mode. From there, I can adjust my goggles, go find a seat, and get comfortable. After the AutoLaunch finishes, it goes directly into Loiter mode. I love how the gimbal can look completely behind the airplane. It's nice to catch the sunrise. This was an early Saturday morning flight. On Wednesday, this build tent didn't exist. That's because Wednesday night, this line of storms came through and blew over the east and the west build tents. But thanks to an enormous amount of volunteers, we were able to set up the east build tent again and split the west build tent into 2 smaller ones. I got a little nervous as it was heading towards waypoint number 3. I thought it was going to run into some of these trees. Again, I did not realize I created the waypoint above the trees. Luckily, I set my altitude high enough that it was able to miss them.
50 milliwatts.
It was much harder to video with my phone than I
50
thought it would be.
milliwatts.
Here I'm testing out return to home. As soon as I hit the switch, it adjusts the altitude a little bit, and then it turns and goes directly to home. It doesn't really wander, maintains a constant altitude. It flew really, really good this morning. Once it was close, I flipped into manual mode and I brought it in for a landing. I came in a little hot and my wing caught some grass on the side and did like a nice little 360. No damage though. Hope you enjoyed the flight. Thanks for watching.